Hey guys, welcome. Today I've got another nano helicopter for you from Silverlit. This is called the I should know. This is a Spycam nano helicopter. The reason why I decided to get another Silverlit helicopter was because the initial one I bought, it's called the Falcon, and you can check out my review of that. It's this little one over here. I love the way this thing flies. It's not, the fastest, but the controls are just superb. Compared to the other nano helicopters I've flown, this to me wins the prize in terms of stability and being able to control. At least for a beginner, this is dope. I think the design was neat, and also the flight characteristics. So because I bought this and I really loved the way it flew, I decided to get another Silverlit product. So here we are, guys. Here's everything you get in the packaging for the Spycam Nano mini helicopter from Silverlit. You get your helicopter with a camera, as you can see right there, and you get a transmitter, which is pretty standard, and it comes with a USB cable. Now, I believe the reason why you have a proper USB port with this one is because, again, this is a camera. This is a built-in camera here, and once you've taken your photos and your videos, whichever it is, this cable allows you to transmit that data to your computer, which is cool. All right, so there it is for the USB. We'll put that to the side. Now, next, let's talk about the transmitter first before I even get to the helicopter itself. One thing I love about Silverlit is that they are very clever with their designs, and if you guys saw my review of this this is my first helicopter I bought from Silverlit. It's a mini nano helicopter, and this may be the best helicopter of this size that I've flown so far because of its flight characteristics. It's not the fastest, it's not the slowest either, but it's very, very stable. And so that's why I actually decided to go purchase this one. And I think that if this can fly even close enough to this, then I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this thing. So we'll put that to the side. Now back to the transmitter, okay? So this remote control does a lot of things. Other than your standard, throttle here, and then you control your movement for the helicopter here, you've got some extra buttons right here and here. And after flying this thing for a little bit, these are your shutter buttons. So one is for taking pictures and one is for taking videos. Pretty neat. And there's an LED, there's a little light here where I can get closer to the camera. There's a little light here which will tell you when you're either recording or taking a picture. And the battery housing goes in here. You gotta use a pen or something to push this little button down, and then this opens up. It takes 4 AAA batteries. Now you wonder why this hole is there. So let me show you. You can open this up, and the reason why, again, why I love Silverlit, they're very clever, is that this helicopter can actually fit into this transmitter here. And once that happens, this essentially turns into a camera, so you can do this with it, okay? And let me show you how that works, okay? While I review the helicopter too. Now, this is, I wouldn't say a standard nano helicopter, but it is one from Silverlit, and flying it's not the fastest helicopter out there because it's heavier, okay? Unlike this one, this flies even faster than this, and again, it's because there's actually some stuff in here that makes it heavier. But also what that means is you get better control. And so going around the helicopter, you've got your camera here which can take both pictures and videos, and the quality for the resolution is 640 by 480. And your on and off button is here. It's right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. So there's a button you go back and forth there that turns it on or off. You've got your standard gyro system, top and bottom blade, and then stabilizer. And then you've got your tail rotor a motor which controls the forward, backward movement for this thing. And back here, there is a slot for an extra memory card. Now, it says an extra memory card. I'm not sure if this thing has a built-in memory, but if you can see what I'm trying to show you here, so at the top right here is the USB port, and at the bottom is your SD. And I've got one SD card here to show you. Where is it? So it takes micro SD like this, okay? Has to be that tiny. And I'm not sure how long you can record for. According to the manual, you can only fly this thing for about 4 minutes fully charged. So that's not a lot, but it's still something. Last cool feature on this helicopter is this. So what I was going to show you earlier. So everything compacts and folds in. So look at me bending that tail. And this also folds in like that. And the props, the blades, they fold. You can fold the top two right there. Fold this. And fold that. How clever is this? How freaking cool is that? And then once you folded all of it that way, you can open up your transmitter / case, and this whole thing drops in here. Okay? Just make sure it's properly inserted, and no room is left. Cool. And bam, you close it. There goes your camera. And now in this form, you can use it also as a normal camera to take pictures or videos. Again, your resolution is not going to be much. Now, I don't know how long of battery life you would have in this form, but I know that flying the helicopter, you only have 4 minutes. And I'm hoping that in this form with the case that you have more than 4 minutes to record. So now the only thing left is to go fly this thing. I'm going to show you how it flies. Stay tuned. There you have it.